And Fastcall founder and CEO, and I'm going to talk for a couple of minutes about Salesforce high velocity sales. So we're logged into high velocity sales here, and you should be familiar with this, or if you're just now evaluating HVS. The interface looks a lot like Sales Console. We have the record here, and then high velocity sales is presenting my cadences here. In Sales Console. You could have a list view here, and of course, just in Lightning, you'd be looking at the record. Fast Call is here, and the experience in high velocity sales is almost exactly the same as you're going to see calling directly from a record, or again, maybe even in Sales Console. So I have my leads that are assigned to these cadences, and you do that, of course, in Salesforce high velocity sales. I've added a few here. I created two sales cadence, hello and hello again. So if I come here and I dial this record, the call starts, right? And it starts with my subject, my notes, hello, and I can add that, up, and then finish typing. And we'll say we spoke to decision maker. So the experience is almost exactly the same. You'll see that high velocity sales removed that lead from the cadence because I completed the call. Similar to what Fast Call does in our dial by list. It's just really a different experience, and we of course support both. High velocity sales is one option. You do have the option you call directly from the record. You would click the phone number. In high velocity sales, you're clicking the phone icon. So the experience is almost the same. The fast call application will be the same. And you're adding, of course, leads to the cadence in high velocity sales. We are logging the calls. These are Salesforce tasks. You can see that all the sample calls I've made in this org are logged. And then we're also creating a call record, which we would do again by default. So it has really unrelated to high velocity sales. We are creating a task, we're creating a call record. So that's how we support high velocity sales. Really very simple and easy to set up. There's nothing complicated or terribly different about the experience. It's just really one more way that users have to be able to make calls. They can do it directly on the record. They can do it from the fast call dial by list. You can do it in Sales Console. We do support Classic or here in high velocity sales. So if you have any questions, shoot us an email, help@fastcall.com, and we will be happy to jump in.